Within the last 18 months, we've rolled out our core values, our core business, and our core passion as part of trying to make ourselves so our staff knows who we are, what we do, and how we serve people. And we've also been educating our staff on trying to be informative and educational to our customers and not try to sell to our customers, which many HVAC businesses do in our industry. And so we feel that by offering solutions, whether it be replacing or repairing their equipment, and trying to keep their best interests in mind, letting them decide what's best for them, their family, or their home or business, is always the right thing to do for us in the long term.